Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Crystal Perkins. You may have heard of my business, Perkins Marketing, where I had my first $6,500 a week dropshipping on Shopify using Facebook ads and Instagram influencers. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Now, this is something I've never ever touched on. And I don't know why, because it's included in a lot of my courses and a lot of my like business 101, 30K branding blogs. There's a few different blogs in there and different lessons in each course about affiliate marketing, but I don't really touch on it that much because it's not really like the highest of my incomes, but I definitely make anywhere between $500 and $1,000 per week from affiliate marketing. So it comes anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 a month residual income. So you definitely want to be doing affiliate marketing. Even if that's not your main source of income, it needs to be one of your sources of income. You cannot forget about all your other sources of income when you have that one income that's bringing you lots of money. You still have to have all those other little incomes, because that $500 could be your car payment, that could be your insurance, that could be, you know, part of your rent, depending on how much your rent is. There's so many things that $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 could be paying for. So you definitely want to be putting in at least 30 minutes to an hour a day on and spending that time on affiliate marketing. So one of my favorite brands to promote when it comes to affiliate marketing. Wait, before I even jump into that, you guys know what affiliate marketing is, right? Of course you do. Affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's products. I know a lot of people think you have to have a website, or you have to have a whole bunch of followers, you have to have this huge email list, or like all this different things, because that's what people are led to believe. But you actually do not need products or a website or any of those things in order to get into affiliate marketing or make your first $100 to $1,000 from affiliate marketing. That's why I just wrote my new ebook, Your First $1,000 with Affiliate Marketing. I left the link for that below. It is only $10. And I also included a course for $50. So if you want to get the ebook, it is $10. If you want to get the course, it is $50. And of course, just like any other day, use the code YouTube50 to get the course for 50% off. The courses do not work for books, you guys, but they do always work for courses and services. So affiliate marketing, what is it and how can you get into it? First and foremost, I like to promote Shopify, Amazon, eBay, different kind of apps on my phone that I go ahead and promote and send to other people when they give you a referral link. You guys, it is about to start storming outside, just like any other time when I try to record. It always has to rain. I know, it's just, Florida hates me, but that's okay. So, anyways, back into this video. The first thing that I do promote is Shopify. If you guys look at the description below, you guys always see that it says sign up for Shopify for free, get your first 30-day trial, and that is going to be how I get paid $29 per sign up. So if you were to use my link and you create a Shopify store and you start making money with Shopify, I get paid $29 because you are using Shopify, because I told you to. Now, if you use Big Cartel or Wix or whatever else, I'm not gonna get paid. But if you click my link below and you go sign up for Shopify, I'm going to get paid. And I make anywhere from $350 to like $750 a month from Shopify, I'll say. And it goes, they pay directly into your PayPal, and then, like you guys know, you just transfer that money to your bank account. Amazon is another one. Now, you guys remember my other video that went viral, this video right here, where I said, is it worth it? And then this video right here, where I went ahead and showed you guys all of the things that I bought in order to upgrade my YouTube channel. If you look in the description below both of these videos, I actually do have links for tripods, cameras, the camera I'm using right now, the tripod I'm using right now, the laptop I'm using, my other camera, my ring light. There's so many things that I put below that video because I did buy those things. And I went ahead and signed up for an Amazon affiliate account and put the links below for each product. So if you clicked on that product and you did purchase, which some of you guys did, thank you so much, I actually got 10% of that. So if you buy something for like $100, I get $10, you know, so on and so forth. So that's what a lot of big YouTubers do when they do those videos and they like review certain things. So in order to kind of draw traffic or bring traffic to your Amazon links, I would suggest doing reviews. Reviews. Look around your house, see what you have right now, see what you can review. Even if it's like a Steve Madden book bag or an iPad case or an iPhone case, whatever it is, just start doing reviews and then leave a link for the product below. So if people want to buy the product, they can go ahead and buy it. And you can post that on your Instagram story, your Snapchat, your Twitter, you can post it on your Facebook, you can post it anywhere you want. In my course, I actually tell you guys exactly what I post and exactly how I get people to message me for my link versus me going out and messaging people. And if you're confused about how I get people to message me, or you're wondering how I get people to message me, ask yourself if you've ever messaged me and asked me how I can help you make money. Have you messaged me? Exactly. So how I was able to gain your trust and get you to trust me and know that I can help you start making money online, that's the same way I'm going to help you gain the trust of your followers, your friends, your family, whoever it is on your Facebook friends list, whoever it is on your YouTube list, whoever it is that you're actually promoting to, whoever your audience is. I'm going to show you how to gain their trust, how to get them to reach out to you, and how you are going to send them your link and only spend 30 minutes to an hour a day to make anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 extra a month. So guys, if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you enroll in my course. Make sure you go ahead and download my ebook. Make sure you go ahead and get one of those below and use the code YouTube50 to go ahead and get that. So with Shopify, I already told you guys, you kind of just have to, if you see somebody talking about Big Cartel or Wix or Weebly or whatever it is, you just want to kind of tell them, you know, there's a lot of benefits behind Shopify. There's apps, there's urgency count, there's countdown timers, there's urgency apps, there's all kinds of things on there. There's free shipping bar, there's your pixel being on there. Like, there's so many things and so many benefits. And if you ever can't think of any benefits of Shopify, literally Google it. What are the benefits of Shopify, or Shopify versus Wix, or Shopify versus Big Cartel, and just tell them the benefits and go ahead and get them to sign up using your link. Same thing with Amazon. I just told you guys, do reviews, you know, post on your status, things like that. There are different apps as well that will pay you anywhere from $10 to $20. I've seen people literally make 10 grand from these apps. I've only made about 1,000 to 2,000, but I've seen people out there with huge followings, with millions of followers, who literally just posted on their stories, say swipe up and download this app to get paid, because the apps are actually great apps. So they're not just apps that you say, oh, download this app and I get paid. Like, no, the app is actually a great app. Like, some of them, if you go to like IHOP or like Benihana, or like you shop at Home Depot and you actually use the app, you get 5% to 10% back. So let's say I spend $150 somewhere, I can get 15 of that back, and it'll go on the app, and I can either transfer that to my bank account, or I can use it on the app to go ahead and shop and get even more cash back. So it's kind of like one of those cash app or those cash back apps. It's not Cash App, it's cash back. So yeah, definitely want to go ahead and start promoting all these different apps. And like I said, in my course, I actually show you what apps I use and what apps I'm currently using. And right now I think my balance is right at 440. I'll put the screenshot right here, and I have been using this app since last year. So you guys, definitely is a trusted app. I've told so many people about this app, and then when the app started going viral, everybody was like, wait a minute, wasn't Crystal talking about this app like 2 months ago? Yes, I was. You will always find me talking about something first and it going viral 2 or 3 months later. So another way you can go ahead and start making money is just go to your favorite website, scroll all the way to the bottom, and see if you see anything that says affiliate program. If you do, comment below and I will tell you guys exactly how to go ahead and start promoting those affiliate links and go ahead and start getting people coming over to your Instagram, your Snapchat, your Facebook, your Twitter, whatever it is that you're going to use. Even text message. If you want to text it to some people, I've texted to friends and said, hey, download this app for me. You get paid, I get paid, we both get money. So let's just, you know, help each other. Help me help you. So if you guys want to go ahead and start getting paid and want to learn about affiliate marketing and how to send out the right emails, what links to include in your emails, how to get paid from ClickBank, how to get paid from email, apps that pay you, emails that pay you, and websites that pay you, make sure you comment below affiliate, comment the word affiliate, and I will go ahead and drop the link for you guys. And if you do go ahead and sign out or go ahead and check out, make sure you use the code YouTube50 so that I know you are from YouTube, and you can go ahead and get that 50% off on my new course. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, and of course, watch another video. Y'all knew it was coming. Y'all knew I was not gonna get off of here without telling y'all to watch another video. Wow. Watch it. Watch another video. It's right here. All right, guys. I will see you all in the next one. Love you all. Bye-bye.